Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to change the vibration pattern on your iPhone. It's an easy process, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Now, you'll want to choose which sound you want to customize the vibration pattern for. For this example, I'm going to select Ringtone. Next, scroll all the way to the top of the ringtone menu. You'll see Haptics, tap on that. Here, you can choose from the default vibration patterns. But if you want something unique, click on Create New Vibration.
This is where the fun begins. Simply tap on the screen when you want your iPhone to vibrate.
It's going to record your pattern. Let's try this out. Short musical interlude. Okay, we've recorded our unique vibration. Now tap Save in the top right-hand corner.
Give your new vibration pattern a name.
I'm going to call mine Example. Once you've done that, it will be added to the list of available vibration patterns, and you can select it from there. Now that we've selected our custom vibration for the ringtone, let's see how it works with other sounds. Go back to the Sounds and Haptics menu and select another tone, for example, text tone. Scroll all the way to the top and click on Haptics again. Guess what? The example tone that we just created is also listed here. This means you can use it for any other tone on your iPhone. Now we've done this, we can go back. And that's it. We've successfully changed the vibration pattern on our iPhone. So if this guide was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips. Thanks for watching.